In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extract audio from video in CapCut PC. If you need to isolate a voiceover or a background sound so you can clean it up, level it, or edit it separately from your visuals, this is the fastest way to do it on CapCut for desktop. First, head down to the timeline and locate the video clip that contains the sound you want to isolate. The timeline is the horizontal area where your project's clips are arranged. So make sure you've clicked the exact segment with the audio you need. When you've got the right clip selected, right-click directly on that clip to open CapCut's Advanced Options menu. This menu holds the specific actions you can apply to the selected item. Next, scroll through the menu until you find Separate Audio and click it. If you prefer to move quicker, use the Pro Keyboard shortcut, Ctrl+, Shift+S. The instant you do this, CapCut rips the sound out of the video and places it on its own dedicated blue audio track, positioned directly beneath the footage on the timeline. You'll usually see a waveform appear on that blue track, which makes it easier to spot pauses, peaks, and breaths at a glance. This process is non-destructive, so your original picture remains intact while the audio becomes its own editable item. Now that your audio sits on a separate layer, click the blue audio track to select it. From here, you can edit it completely independently. Trim the beginning or end to remove dead air, slice out pauses in your speech, or delete any sounds you don't need, all without touching your visual frames. For level control, look to the Properties panel in the top right of your workspace. Under the Audio section, adjust the volume up or down to taste. Changes you make here affect only the separated audio, not the video clip, so your visuals stay untouched while you refine the sound. This quick right-click method is perfect when you want a clean workflow for dialogue polishing, balancing background audio, or keeping your timeline organized. Because the sound is isolated on its own track, it's easier to make precise cuts, see the waveform clearly, and keep everything in sync without extra steps. And that's all there is to it. Instant audio extraction with a simple right-click or the Ctrl+Shift+S shortcut. You're all set to edit your sound with confidence while your footage stays exactly as it is.